Hey everyone, Taylor here with Neville Motors GM of Alpaca, taking you for a walk around this 2018 GMC Terrain SLE. This one is equipped with a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. Now the nice thing is on these, when you do upgrade to that 4-cylinder or the 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, you do get a few upgrades. That's going to be to the wheels, giving you a little bit better appearance with those 18-inch 5-spoke wheels. This one has just under 22,000 miles on it with brand new tires that we put on the back. This one you'll see is all-wheel drive in Cajun red. Plenty of cargo space in back. One of my favorite features on these are going to be those handles right over there. You can pull those, and then the back of the vehicle, or the back seats here, will actually automatically fold down so that you can put longer objects in. Rear view camera, of course. Really clean car all the way around as we walk around it. There we go. Let me take you on the inside. All right, inside you're gonna find some great features here on this Terrain. First off is gonna be the home screen here, where you do have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, along with Bluetooth connection, as well as Wi-Fi hookup. Below that, you're gonna have your temperature controls, as well as, you're gonna notice here in the Terrains, unlike the Equinoxes and other vehicles, we no longer have any shifters here. So in order to actually put it into gear or reverse, you can just go reverse. You got that. Everything moves. Makes it really easy to back up. Put it back in park. USB hookups there. Also, right there, let's see if I can get that to focus in. That's going to be how you engage 4-wheel drive so that you can actually get better fuel economy in the summer. You can leave it in 2-wheel drive. Otherwise, when you do need it, you have the option then to put it in 4-wheel drive. Bring this up right here. You do have a configurable screen right there showing you different things. This one, there it goes. You can see over the 7,000 miles, averaged right around 24 miles per gallon. Pretty average for these is what we're seeing, right about that. So great gas mileage in an SUV this size, and has this much to offer. Something else, I don't know if you can actually pick up, there you go, you can kind of see the outline of the vehicle's headlights in the mirror over there. Nice thing is about it is these are actually HID, so extra bright, so you can definitely see far ahead, and they're actually a projection bulb. So what that means is the lights will actually go up and down. There's a shutter in there to make sure that you have, you're never kind of blinding oncoming drivers or anything, just like a straight bar of light, a nice low beam and a nice high beam. In the back seat, you're going to notice that there's plenty of space here for any passengers that you have. These seats do fold down flat, matching the rear, as well as underneath, there we go, let's see if we can see it there. Underneath the air vents, you're going to have USB hookups for your passengers as well. You'll also be able to notice that these seats do have contrast stitching in them, as well as a fold-down armrest and full headrest. If you or anyone you know is interested in this 2018 GMC Terrain or any other vehicle we have on our lot, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel to see other great vehicles that we have, or check out our website with the link below.